In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any cryptocurrency from xt.com to your own wallet or another exchange. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on xt.com, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and then you will get a 20% discount on all trading fees forever. Alright, so to withdraw crypto, you simply have to go up here to your funds and then click on spot. Then we have to go up here to withdraw. Then select the coin that you want to withdraw. So you can choose Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. In this case, I'm going to show you with US dollar Tether. You can also see your balance right here. Then I need to enter the address right here. So if you want to withdraw, for example, to your own wallet or to another exchange, you will always be presented with a depositing address on there if you click on deposit on your other platform. And then this address that you will see right here, this is where you have to paste it right in here. Also make sure always, if you want to deposit something, there's also a network corresponding. Make sure that the network is also the same. This doesn't really apply. For example, in Bitcoin, you mostly always only use the normal Bitcoin network. But for example, USDT has some different networks. So just make sure that the network is always the same. Just click here and choose the network. For example, here I can also paste the address first, which is a Tron address, just for example, and then you can see it already selects it automatically because this is a Tron network address. Then after that, I can also enter a quantity down here. So how much I want to withdraw, you will see your available balance right here. So I can just click on all and then I can withdraw all of this money that I have on here. Then all I need to do is just click down here on withdraw and then it's already done. If you also want to know how you can withdraw fiat money, so for example, euro or US dollar to your own bank account, how to do that on XT, check out the video description. I have another video on my channel on exactly that. Don't forget to create an account on xt.com by using a link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible with 20% discount on all trading fees forever. If you need more tutorials on xt.com, you can find many more tutorials on my channel. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.